Ngayon magbabasa tayo ng isang comment ng isang followers natin sa FB, which is a comment that is very well thought and well felt when it comes to the topic of cheating. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
So, sabi ni Pangilinan Keyboy Francis Jr., I really like your content, bro. I have to admit you are one of the people who inspired me to let go of my impulsiveness and think critically before I react to anything I hear on social media. Maraming salamat doon sa naging effect ko sa'yo. And I'm very touched by it. And salamat sa warm regards. And it's one of the things na parang kinakatuwa ko sa ginagawa ko. Not because I receive money, because that's lie. Wala akong natatanggap na pera dito sa pinaggagawa ko, puro pagod lang. But you know what? The effect that I am really trying to look for is not on this present moment. Kasi alam ko namang yung epekto nung gusto kong mangyari hindi siya kagad namumunga. Kasi kailangan ko muna siyang itanim, palaguin para yung maybe mga next generations and well, current generations, because it's not too late to change, yung makagamit nung bagay na tinatanim ko. Salamat. Noon kasi, mainitin talaga ulo ko. And mostly binabraso ko pag may naka-argue ako dati, making me less smarter than I am now. So I thank you for that. You inspired me on that area. Well, I'm not going to make myself as clean as a paper here. May mga shared moments din ako na kung saan I wasn't like myself today. I am arguing back then, not for the truth, but to win. Because, well, winning itself feels good. Kaya, nung nag-mature na, let's say, wisdom, dumami, I found out na after winning, any argument at all feels empty. Because you are moving, kasi nanalo ka di ba? You are moving towards a direction na mag-isa ka lang. And yan yung hindi magandang side effect ng competition sa pakikipag-argue, sa relasyon, sa pagkakaibigan, pamilya, so on and so forth. In general, yan yung pangit at hindi magandang effect ng competition. Pag nanalo ka means may matatalo. And with how you move forward doon sa ganong klaseng mindset is you will feel lonely after. Nakuha mo yung gusto mo, but at what cost? Diba? However, I disagree with your view when it comes to cheating. There are things that you said that I agree with, and there are things that you said that I don't agree with. Pero 100% na disagree ako sa nirakan mo na bit. Well, you know what? That's fine. I like it when people disagree, because what happens when people disagree in a healthy way, okay? Natitimbang mo yung perspective mo, yung side mo, yung alam mo doon sa issue compared doon sa taong ka-argue mo. Now, anong magandang pwedeng idulot ng ganong klaseng bagay, di ba? And para sa karamihan, sa stress lang yan, sanhi lang yan ng sigawan, so on and so forth. Well, yun yung effect pag ginawa mo siya ng mali. Pag you are arguing for the sake of winning, not for actually knowing what is true. Okay, putulin muna natin guys kasi alam nyo naman, short attention span ang mga Pilipino. So kung gusto nyong ituloy yung kwento, well, please like, share, and subscribe. And follow us doon sa iba nating pages because andon yung iba nating ka-extremist na makakausap nyo or could help you sa kung ano man yung gusto nyong malaman. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.